Hello everyone, today we will see how to fix creating new folder issue in Windows. As you can see, there is no option to create a new folder in my context menu, even the old context menu. Here I can't create a new folder even using the shortcut keys. Sometimes you can only create a new folder from within the file manager or Windows Explorer. But in my case, I can only create new folder from command prompt or using mkdir. Let's create a new folder in my desktop. So type cd desktop and type mkdir. Now type your folder name using double quotation and press enter. As you can see, our folder is created. So let's see some simple methods to solve the problem of creating new folder. Now open cmd, run as administrator. In this step we just re-register some system files. Now execute this command. I'll provide all commands in this video description, so don't worry about this. Now you need to simply restart the Explorer. Just right click and task manager, search for Windows Explorer and right click and make restart. So let's see the second step. Now open command prompt again, run as administrator. In this step we simply restore the Windows health. To restoring the system image by using this command, it will take several times to complete, and type sfc scan now. I will provide all commands in the description. These commands are used to resolve any internal Windows issues. Let's see the third step. In this step, just download these two files. One file is for Windows 10 and on4 is Windows 11. Since I'm using Windows 11, I use this registry file. Just simply execute and restart your system. This will reset all values to defaults. After restarting, let's see if the option to create a new folder appears or not. Right click. As you can see, our new folder option is come back, even the old context menu. So our problem is solved. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.